when you're an incumbent leader, it's very difficult for you to justify experimentation because as a market leader, critical mass you have, the capture of distribution, the veteran salespeople that you have, and your pricing legacy, all those things are positive to defend your position at the time. And if you don't have a good skunk works or a culture around, let's try to replace ourselves, let's try to break this in a meaningful way so that you anticipate disruption, and you're much better off disrupting yourself than to have a asymmetric competitive threat come in and rework the business. That's an ongoing challenge for any organization. And you could point to specific things, but it is a universal challenge that when you're an incumbent, you have to resist your momentum and find some people or a team or an idea that says we have to figure out how to replace ourselves so that we can evolve quickly so that we're not caught off guard. And I think a lot of those organizations didn't do it. And, I would say that a company like Color Tile probably didn't anticipate that the big box stores would be a significant threat to their flooring only specialty business, but they were. And Sears probably didn't think about Amazon and Walmart being significant threats to their business, but they were. And that's just how the competition works in the United States. It's very difficult to keep your magic touch for a long period of time unless you have smart people trying to destroy your own business and do it in a measured way.
Love that advice.
There's actually a great book written about that concept called The Innovator's Dilemma. And there's two views on it. One is, if you're doing well, hedgehog on the concept and be better than anybody else. And the other concept is you have to figure out how to destroy your own business and then move in that direction so that you don't get caught off guard. And that's a difficult challenge for any business.